germination of seed. A plant needs water, sunlight, rain to grow. Plants are source of food for humans and animals. Plants are useful in making oxygen and furniture. We should take care of plants. We should grow more and more plants. We should not cut the trees, they provide shelter to birds. The plants help in cleaning the air. Trees provide us shadow and oxygen. So grow more and more plants. We are donating plants for plantation activity. Here is a pot for a plant. You can also donate a plant and be the part of this activity. Thank you.